Guess the animal. Series 1, Quiz 2. Wild animals. Let's play a game. Are you an animal expert? Well, you will become one after this quiz. Let's see how many animals you know. Are you ready? Let's begin. Guess the animal. Lynx. Guess the animal. Wombat. Guess the animal. Tapir. Guess the animal. Lemur. Guess the animal. Jaguarundi. Guess the animal. Serval. Guess the animal. Coward. Guess the animal. Ibex. Guess the animal. Monkey. Guess the animal. Ocelot. Guess the animal. Pangolin. Guess the animal. Quokka. Guess the animal. Saiga. Guess the animal. Taken. Guess the animal. Wakari. Guess the animal. Vicuña. Guess the animal. Dole. Guess the animal. Okapi. Guess the animal. Maned wolf. Guess the animal. Moose. Congratulations! You are now an animal expert. Are you ready for the next quiz? Like and subscribe for more fun games. Now let's play the next quiz.